put them and like that. First we are not doing this puzzle, so we have to find all of these parts. Here. Oh, there's more of those pieces. And we have lots of pieces. We have lots of pieces of them. We gonna start building. So for this, from here, I don't know which way it was. I'm trying out. Okay, this part don't go. Part. Not that from this part. But then here. This part. And then that part. This part. Continue to the line together. Drawing the part. Gonna be hard, but not gonna be hard for me. Here and there. I think that not fit. This fit to be here. And now we're gonna use this part. It's gonna be here. And this part go to be there. I don't know what the part goes. The tiny one. Why do the pieces are like funny? Come on. Cool. They're not good. Isn't it good? That's this. Then good. And this. I think that's not good. And it good. It good. It good. I don't know. Good. And then we start from here. There. And there. And here. Let's put the part to do it. I think that not works. Let's go there. And it go there. I think it go here. And over there. Then I need more. Where's more part of it? This name it Titan. So let's put it away here so we can do the other rock. Let's do the sun first. So let's grab all the sun. There. Away. There. More. And there and there and there and there. And up the potato fruit. But yeah, lots. And I found it. There. And did you know? I actually found a zip part, so I can put it. We are meeting over here part. We will do that later. This has like little bit of glitter on it. So we have to find a letter. Okay. Let's go up. And it goes Where's it? It's good. I think it's good like that. I need more like that. We need more of those lines to like do this part, this part, and this part, this part, or that part, or this part, or this part, or that part. Now let's find we find the line to like put it over here, and it goes over here. And I think let's go to here. I think it goes over here. Okay. Let's use this part. Doesn't matter. And also in this. I think it could. That's good. And it got. It got to be. This good. It go to be here. And it go to be there. It go to be here. It go to be there, and this the left part. I know everything. I think it go to be here. Correct. And now we're gonna use this part. Because I see the line is between it go there. And let's do more. Those. I think it's going to be here. And that could be here. And that could be there. And like a new box, it's come new, it's like a bottle. I did buy it, and then I don't know with the pieces go to. I'm gonna do it. How bad? I don't know what the pieces go. I like timed out, and now I found it. I found it. Every time I found the knot, and let's put it over here. Think so. Good. See. I think it goes over there. It goes there. We have one more part. Good. Now we take the part and let's do. I don't know where it goes. Let's put it up there. Complete. And then do this. Done. One. And two. Do this part. We're done and we need. Now we're gonna do this. March. Mercury. Now we're gonna do the part. Earth. This is Earth. And this Mercury. Now we're gonna do the mollusk planet. Mollusk planet we're gonna do. Correct. We have to find the mollusk planet. Get the mollusk planet. I think it goes up. I think it goes there. And it goes. And it goes there. Wait, and now we need one more. Now, Pluto. This goes actually in the corner. So, we not done in the corner. So, let's leave it over there. This is the corner thing. Let's add it. Then now we have to find it. Let's do the part. Let's put it in tile. Let's do the blue. This. Let's have all the parts. Now we got lots of parts, so let's do this first. Need one more there. You ate this. Winnet. This planet is winnet. Now let's put it in the jar and do the part. Let's all do it. So let's do this part. And then this part. Then that will go. And the upper part is this part. And now we're going to do the lines. The lines like this. This planet is Uranus. This planet is Uranus. Let's do more of the parts. Let's go here. End in the corner, like then more one. Let's put this and then not like that. this, and then this in the corner. And now we will do this part. Now we complete. Let's leave it over here. Guide it, pan it. And now we're going to do, now we're going to join it. Now and then we can do the other part because we have little bit part. So let's do this part. Jupiter. This earth called Jupiter. Jupiter. Let's find all of them. Over there in the corner. Now we get it right. We did a little part too with that. You did the red part, it goes together. It's like hard, but I can do it. Now I do this part. Where's the part? Yeah. You know? Yeah. Let's go over there. And just go the way up. And then try the part, don't worry, over here. And then how we put this? I got it over here by the rock. And then try the part. And then do the rest of the part. Fall down when you put this thing. Now we turn over there. It's like really hard to, I cannot do. So let's join the part. That we all have the panel. This way has to join together. This goes over there. And that goes over by the tent. I think we're not going by the tent. Like a little bit up. I think they are faint. So let's do any parts. They're faint. No, they're not that faint. So let's put it over here. And let's bind the part. The jointed part. Oh, one more. And not two. Maybe this part. Do. Yeah, part two. Now we need the earth. So this part is going to go over here. Why did not go? And the rest of the parts not go there. That. it goes there, and this goes there. Let's join this part over here, over there, there. Then we go down, there. No. Let's join the turn. Now let's do the right part. Let's go to there. We have little of them. Doing. Good. Now we will do the corner. But we almost in the corner. Then put there. What is corner? Thing here. Bind it. Movement and now then. And we will do the deep down, and over here then the tiny part, but this part, and now we don't need part, so let's don't need parts, and this goes up by this, but we have one way. Turn that goes over here. Now let's join the pot. I think it goes about here. Don't. I think this goes. No, that goes down. There. By the time. Now let's do this. It goes up and it goes there and it went already. Doing. Doing and it goes there and it goes there and it goes that goes here and it goes there and it goes and it goes there and it goes. Now we have to find this, and now we have to find this. I think we have to find it. Let's do this part. No, let's do it. I did put it. Let's do it. Now we have to do this goes. This goes. Think it goes. And the very, very last it goes. One and finish. Thank you to turn earth, Mercury, March, minutes, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto, Uranus, Jupiter. We live in this planet, but Earth is our city. Earth is our home and also our city. So we can go and we live here, so we cannot make the dirty earth. We cannot make dirty, so the earth gets dead.